time to fix this radiator hose. Goes down there. Gotta take all this off. Not a big deal. So we're gonna get down there and get the show on the road. Let's go. Alright, so this is what I'm working with. I made this contraption here. We have to get into, if you can see it, you're not gonna be able to see it. It's right beyond, oh, there it is. You can see it kind of. It's that little bolt right there. Gotta get in there. And it's very tricky. There. Right there, that's our problem. So I just cranked it down some more. You see that hose is very bad. Definitely gonna have to change that hose. Let's see if I fixed it. I just tightened it up, so we'll see if that worked for now, and hopefully, if not, then I'll just get a new radiator hose and try to get in there. Doesn't look like a fun one though, that's for sure. What happened with the radiator hose?
We need a new one.
We need a new one. It's cracked. Too cracked, or it's just seeping out. So we got it all hunked up. We gotta order it. And so our day has changed to cutting down pallets. We love that stuff, huh?
Yep, and getting food.
Food. We'll close this thing up for the time being and we'll go get some food. Oh yeah. Cut all that down. We got a lot of wood. A lot of wood, and we even have more. So I'll show you guys what we got, but how was it?
Good. Hot.
Our jigsaw died, so.
Yeah.
And our saw blade was going bad. So by the end of it, we were really just pushing it. So we got, I don't know, 6 pallets left, 7 pallets left, who cares? We got this, we're gonna clean up, and yeah, now we got a lot of wood for our projects. So we're gonna do some woodworking projects, probably use some of it for the bus. Yeah, it's a good time. Good time. Clean up. And just like that, we're done for the day. Well, I don't know if it's gonna be your day or another video combined into this, or if this is just the end of our day, or the end of that video, the end of this video, the end of her video, you know? But anyways, we got some of this insulation in the ceiling. We were gonna wait for the ceiling fan, but we decided we're gonna do what we can. Cut down a lot of the pallets that we had stored, and we also cleaned up the bus a lot. So once we get the bed frame in here, we have our power source. We'll introduce you guys to the power source in another episode. That'll be an episode on its own. Other than that, yeah, that's all we're doing. But adventure coming up soon. Very soon. The leak kind of delayed some stuff, so maybe we'll go on the motorcycle or do some fishing trip or do something like that. And yeah. All right, well, we're back. We're back. We're gonna be doing this little foam with the adhesive backing on it. So that is gonna go on that. This is what it is, since some of you've been asking about material wise. And so the first one I looked at this and I got the wrong one. It's the one with the self-adhesive. That's the one. We're gonna put it right there, and on the side as well. And if that, if it takes up 2, then maybe we'll put 2 layers. Not sure yet. Voila, voila. There you go. All done. Just like that. Again, for the day. Well, it looks really good. Very and really combined together. Very good. And, and yeah, what do you think?
I think it looks really good.
Yeah.
And look, it's very nice. Yeah, looks
yeah.
good.
Yep. I hope to see you guys on the next one. I know this episode was a little random, like all of them have been. And I am going to start showing more of the products and stuff because some of you guys were asking about that. And so we'll start kind of including a little more of the details and stuff like that. And but other than that, it's really just follow along and build with us. More so show you how to build. So
Yeah, so you can build your own van or bus, and maybe we'll see you on the road.
Yep, everyone's experience is different, and this is ours. Hope you guys are enjoying it, and we'll catch you on the next one. This is A to B Adventure. You.